Box.
Yeah. 2011-12 Panini Titanium Hockey. Just pop open the back. Come on, big money.
Eberly. Oakland. Nicolette.
It's a pretty plain jersey, huh? Not what I was expecting. Thought they'd all be numbered for the price.
Shara, Harding. And then goes a little thick.
Oh yeah, that's a fat guy.
Duchesne. Clutterbuck. Autograph Cam Fowler.
Oh, look at the size of that blank. That is trickery.
Warren Perry.
It's so fat they can't even cut it. How come none of this stuff's numbered? No parallels or nothing?
Weber. Taylor Hall.
Oh, big time redemption.
Third sweater autographs card number 11.
Malkin.
Benji Malkin.
Let me see it. Third sweater autographs. Benji Malkin. This can be a triple. No. Al, who is it?
Alex Pietrangelo. Kovalchuk.
That's it.